Everyone's waiting for snow, kids and grown-ups alike. I don't wanna be riding my bike this time tomorrow. The weatherman says it's a go, but look in the sky, I don't know. Santa, can you please make it snow tomorrow?
I love decorating for Christmas, and I try to break it down into two different parts because sometimes it can be a little bit much running around the house trying to get everything decorated, but I can't help it. I just love it. I want Christmas in every single room, and one of my favorite places to decorate is the coffee bar. And sometimes I try to do different themes just depending on what it is. I was going for a Cinderella theme, but some of the pieces that I ordered had not come in yet. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to be using these beautiful mugs that I found at Home Goods. They have all different kinds of Disney things. If you're a Disney fan, definitely stop by and check it out. But I wanted to incorporate a little bit of Cinderella and also include some of my favorite decor that I got last year. This is like the Cinderella castle, but it is in gingerbread form, and so I wanted to keep the theme going. I found these little Christmas trees at home, and oh my goodness, that place is like a kid in the candy store. Like, there is just so many different decorations, and there are so many different things that you can choose from, and I just love it. I just got a bunch of stuff, so I was just playing around to see what it is that I wanted to decorate with, and you'll see me switching out certain things because, like I said, I found the jackpot at Home Goods with all the Disney stuff, and I just wanted it all to be Disney. You guys know I love Disney. We actually bought a house in Florida, if you guys haven't been up to date on my videos, and it's our vacation home, and we have it rented out on Airbnb and VRBO. So I will have those direct links down below because we themed out the entire house in Disney, and it was like a dream come true. It's really close to the parks. Like I said, I'll have all that info down below, but I wanted to bring Disney into my home. And I also found this Gus little teacup, which was so cute. It was hard to choose which pieces were going to stay up, but I was really happy with the outcome.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go.
I've been seeing these marble stands all over TikTok, and I wanted one so bad, but they are just an arm and a leg. But I found one that was super inexpensive, and it's really great quality. I'll have that link down below as well. And I am just obsessed. I love how it all turned out. I also brought out some of the fake snow, which is actually just duster pads from the dollar store, and it looks like fake snow, and it looks so cute, so I had to make sure to add that on my tier tray as well.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
When I was at Home Goods, I also found these chocolate bombs, and you just put these in water or in your milk, and it just melts all together, and it looks really cool. So I was really excited. I want to get some of these for those really cozy nights when you just want to snuggle up and drink some hot cocoa. And I also stocked up on my favorite Starbucks holiday blend K-Cups, and I found this huge box at Costco, and I always get them. They usually come out around October, and I just love them. So I want to make sure that I had some for the season. If you haven't tried them yet, make sure you do, because they're really good. This video is in collaboration with my friend Carissa. I absolutely adore her. I found her a few years back over on Instagram, and we've been really close friends ever since, and I just love her girls and all of her girly decors. Make sure to check out her channel and subscribe, and let her know that I sent you, because you're gonna absolutely love her.
If I spend it with you, just you and nobody else, it's so
nowadays with 2 toddlers, 1 and 2 years old, it's hard to have decor up that they can't get into, so I just gotta think of height. So that way, whenever I put up any decor pieces, they gotta be above where they can reach. And one of my favorite places to decorate is above our cabinets. We have this little space here, and I always want to get like the cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling, but that's not gonna happen anytime soon. They just look so nice. So for now, we're just going to decorate it with some wreaths, and the boys love them. They were so excited when they saw the lights turn on, and they were talking about them and pointing, and it just makes me so happy. It makes all the hard work into decorating so worth it when your kids really enjoy it.
Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Alright, so now let's get into some fun DIYs, and this is what my cute little baby was doing. I just had to get it on camera because he's so cute. They're both obsessed with this little car, and it was just such a cute little moment. He's like at peace in his little car, content. So I got a chance to paint some of these ornaments, which I found at Michael's. I really wanted to make some ornaments for our stockings that have our name on them, and I saw these, and I want all different kinds of colors on our tree, kind of like a Candyland type of theme, but it's so hard to find decorations when they're not like super trendy and you want specific colors. So I decided to make my own crafts this year, and it turned out so cute. It's so bright and colorful for the kids, but there's also some splash of pink in there, which is my favorite color, and since I have 2 boys, I try to make everything like neutral for them, but I'm like, you know what, this time I'm going to like bring out the fun bright colors and also add pink. And then here's an ornament that Benji had started. We had fun painting, but he was more excited to paint the plate than the actual ornament, so I'm just finishing it up for him. And I just love that he has a little part of it, and it's fun to do arts and crafts with kids, but he's only 2 years old, so his attention span isn't very long. So I'll take what I can get, you know? And this one is going to be for Ricardo, so I want to make sure that it was like a nice bright red. And then for myself, of course, you guys saw the heart. And then for the boys, I had a little snowman and a tree, which you will see here. I'm going to be using my Cricut machine to put the permanent vinyl onto the wooden ornaments, and it is so easy to use a Cricut machine. I used to be super intimidated by all these projects that I would see, but honestly, it is the most user-friendly machine you will ever see. It is so easy to find templates, fonts, and just do everything on the Cricut machine. It is so much fun to do. I love crafting. I feel like it's very therapeutic for me, and I truly enjoy it. So now that we have kids, I feel like I use it for everything, for their birthday parties, for I don't know, shirts, customized things, and I just want to put their name on everything because I'm just so excited. So this was really fun to do.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with just coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this.
To hang up their stockings, I did use the ones that have a weight on them, but I needed 2 more and I couldn't find any that I really liked, so I just used command hooks. If you haven't tried these out, definitely do. They're super inexpensive and you can peel them off after the season's over and you don't have to worry about them ruining your walls. You just gotta make sure that they don't stay up there for too long, because if they stay up there for more than a year or so, some paint might come off. So I do take them down after the season is over, depending on where they're at. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use those to add the stockings so they're separated nice and even, and add the cute little stockings. They came out so cute. I love them so much. I'm thinking of getting different stockings, but for right now, I wanted to finish the mantle and our chimney, and it just looks so cute.
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
On top of our entertainment center, I always have a nice big sign that says like Merry Christmas or Noel or Joy to the World or something like that. And I couldn't find any in the decor that I had, the theme that I was going for. And so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint my own. I could use my Cricut machine, and I think it turned out really cute. So since those are my colors, I wanted to make sure that they were the same. And I found this board at Joann Fabrics. I got it with a coupon, so it was super inexpensive, under $10. And then the paint was just like $1.50, and I had so much fun doing this. Like I said, I love painting. I'm not great at painting, but it is so much fun to do. This was late at night after the boys had gone to sleep. They go to sleep like around 7:30, 8 o'clock, and this is my me time. I get to like do my own thing, or I'll go ahead and watch something with Ricardo. We'll watch our Netflix show or something, but then afterwards he goes to bed and I continue. And this was so much fun. So I made the sign the colors of the ornaments that I also made. And I always get the Cricut vinyl when it's on sale. So I always get it when they have their specials at Joann Fabrics and Michael's. And then if they don't, I'll use their coupon.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day.
Separating the extra vinyl from the word or from your design is called weeding, and this is my favorite thing to do. Like, I could do this all day. If someone would hire me just to do the weeding of their Cricut projects, like, I would do it all day. I could do this for 8 hours a day. This would be so much fun.
No one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold.
I would love to continue to do more DIYs. Let me know what you guys would like to see, and I'll be more than happy to try and create some more things for you guys to make. or different things. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and took some inspiration from it, and I hope you guys have a great holiday season. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you as part of our family, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Muchos besos. Mwah.